I am going to discuss about material variance formulas. Before the material variance formulas, what is the standard cost? Standard cost means seeks to establish the cost of product, operations or process and operating conditions. That is the standard cost. The aim of standard cost is to eliminate the influence of abnormal changes in prices. That is the standard cost. Standard costing means the preparation and use of standard cost, their comparison with the actual cost. The analysis of variance their causes is the standard costing. Material variances. Material variances are five types of variances. Material cost variance, second one is material price variance, third one is material usage variance, fourth one is material mix variance, and the last one is material yield variance. First one is material cost variance. Material cost variance means it is the difference between the standard cost of direct material specified for the output achieved and the actual cost of direct material used. That is the material cost variance. The how to calculate the material cost variance. Material cost variance equal to standard cost of actual output minus actual cost. One more formula, material cost variance equal to standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. That is the material cost variance. Next one is material price variance. Material price variance means it is the difference between standard price specified and actual price paid for the direct material used. So sometimes price are increased or decreased. Some of the reasons influencing in market price, non-availability of standard quality, using of cheaper materials. That is the many reasons for the prices are increased or decreased. The formula for the material price variance is equal to actual quantity into standard rate minus actual rate. That is the material price variance. Next one is material usage variance. Material usage variance means it is the difference between the standard quantity specified and the actual quantity used by the standard price. That is the material usage variance. Sometimes the usage of materials are increased or decreased some reasons. That is careless handling of materials, wastage, spoilage, scrap, change in design. Some of the reasons for the usage of materials are variances. The formula for the material usage variance is equal to standard rate into standard quantity minus actual quantity. That is the material usage variance. Next one is material mix variance. Material mix variance means two or more materials are used in the manufacture of product. The difference between the standard composition and the actual composition of material mix, a material mix variance. That is the comparison of standard and actual. The material mix variance formula is standard rate into revised standard quantity minus actual quantity. The revised standard quantity means the total weight of actual mix divided by total weight of standard mix into standard quantity, that is the revised standard quantity. So you used the formula standard rate into revised standard quantity minus actual quantity, that is this material mix variance. And the last one is material yield variance. The material yield variance nothing but the difference between the standard yield specified and actual yield obtained, that is the material yield variance. The formula for the material yield variance is equal to standard yield rate into standard yield minus actual yield, that is the material yield variance. This is the formulas for the material variances.